There we are, look. 20% mixture of paraffin wax to beeswax. What the other videos have not made clear is actually how long this takes to melt. Because you have to have the frame and the water just simmering so it doesn't get too hot, because you only want the wax to be 150 degrees. So if you start dipping pickups into hotter wax than that, you can blow them, which defeats the whole object of you hot wax dipping them. So the paraffin wax is melting first, even though the beeswax has got a lower melting point, because it's only in granules and the beeswax is a lump. They're the 4 pickups I'm going to do, all Chinese made ones. Hopefully this should stop them from microphoning. I've taken the covers off of 2 of them to make it easier. And there's the raw paraffin wax and the beeswax. Beeswax in 100 gram blocks. I bought 500 grams of paraffin wax. I've just used half of that. So we're still not melted yet. We've got a temperature gauge to make sure the temperature is no hotter than 150 degrees Fahrenheit when we put the pickups in, and they've got to be left in for 20 minutes.
Because that's what's melting it.
Alright, we've turned the gas off once it got to 150 degrees, and it's still melting all the wax. We're stirring it at the same time. Let's get a look at the temperature gauge. It's not very sharp. There we are. So has all the wax gone now? Almost. Is it just a bit of beeswax left, maybe?
Yeah.
Because even though the beeswax lower melting point, it was in a big lump, and the paraffin wax was in granules, so that seems to have melted about equal, if not quicker. The last of the wax just melted, and my assistant is just about to put the pickups in by the wire.
Right, 150 exactly.
Do you want to put the pickups in then? It's the first one. It's a humbucker pickup. That one is a... So there's 2 magnets grabbing each other, that won't hurt.
Really?
Yeah. Humbucker's coming in now. And another telly pickup. You've got your arm in the way, Lovey. There they are, so they're all in. So we're going to leave them like that for 20 minutes. So I can see the bubbles coming out now, look, can you? You don't need to shake them yet. You can see the bubbles coming out, look.
Make sure it's right down there.
Which is good, that means the wax is getting right into all the little nooks and crannies. I think I probably could turn that off now to kill that terrible sound.
Have you got to keep that going though to a certain temperature?
I don't know the answer to that. But we can keep an eye on the temperature. For 20 minutes we've got to keep an eye on the time. So it's going to be about 11:30 and it's 12 minutes past now.
Yeah, it's still 150. It's got.
Yeah. That's how much hot wax we've got left.
Where did you get them socks from?
I'm going to leave that. So perhaps we can use it again sometime.
Things here to cool down. I can try and clean them up.
whole process probably took getting them for 45 minutes because it took quite a long while to melt. Now we got the wax out that was once it had gone hard just by putting the knife around the outside, and then what? And then just pushing it with your fingers, and it all came out in one lump. Nice and easy.